A periodontist is a dental specialist who specialized in one area of the mouth, the gums. And what we do is treat gum disease any way that's necessary to eliminate it and to help the patients maintain it. Being a specialist, and since that's our main focus, we're able to probably do more for the patient, especially with advanced diseases, than they could get anywhere else. We're devoted on saving people's teeth first and foremost. Dental implants are great, but teeth that are healthy and function are a little bit better, I think. However, when the time comes and the periodontal disease has gotten away from us, or you haven't come in and it's been too advanced, we are able to restore the mouth with dental implants now. Being a specialist, I've been able to place dental implants over the last 35 plus years. And we found over the years the best techniques and the best way to restore them. And this is where people come from the general dentists that are having problems to try to solve them. So in a way, we're problem solvers too.